Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Hyundai Ioniq cabin filter. First, gather your essential tools: a brand new cabin air filter and a small flathead screwdriver. Make sure your vehicle is safely parked on a level surface with the engine completely off. Then, locate the glove box on the passenger side of your Hyundai Ioniq, as this is where we will begin our work. Now, open the glove box all the way to expose the small dampener clips on either side. Carefully detach these two clips, one on the left and one on the right, using your fingers or the flathead screwdriver if needed. Once both clips are released, the glove box will swing down further, giving you full access to the area behind it. With the glove box out of the way, you will see a rectangular housing cover. This is where your cabin filter resides. Gently unclip the two tabs on the cover and pull it straight off. Now, carefully slide out the old, dirty filter. Take your new filter and ensure the airflow arrow points downwards before sliding it into the housing. To finish up, reattach the cabin filter housing cover, making sure both clips snap firmly into place. Next, carefully lift the glove box back up and reattach the two dampener clips on each side. Give the glove box a gentle push to ensure it closes securely. You have successfully replaced your Hyundai Ioniq's cabin air filter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.